In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Vancouver-style references in Google Docs. Whether you're writing a research paper, preparing an academic assignment, or you simply want your references to be accurate and well organized, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Docs document and go to the spot in your text where you want to insert a citation. Once you're there, type the number in square brackets like 1, which is the standard for Vancouver-style references. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. If your instructor prefers superscript numbers instead, simply click on Format in the menu, then select Text and choose Superscript. This will convert your citation number to the correct format instantly. Next, scroll to the end of your document to create your reference list. Type the word references and make it bold so it stands out as a heading. After pressing Enter, go to Format, then Bullets and Numbering, and select Numbered List 1, 2, 3. This step ensures that your references are numbered in the exact sequence they appear in your text, which is a key requirement of Vancouver-style formatting. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your citations match the corresponding references in your list. Double-check the order of your references as you type them, and use a consistent format for all entries. Doing this beforehand can save time and prevent mistakes later on. Once you've created the numbered list, start typing your references in Vancouver style, including all required details like author names, article titles, journal names, year of publication, and page numbers. After that, you should have a perfectly formatted reference list that corresponds with the citations in your document. It's also a good idea to review your list at the end to ensure all entries are accurate and complete, which keeps your document professional and reliable. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add Vancouver-style references in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might need to format their references. Why not make someone's day easier?